Good afternoon, everyone. All right, I'm outside today because we've got a dead transporter. It's roasting 35 degrees or something, way too hot. But we'll show you what's going on with this thing. So start, lack of power. Customers had a lack of power for a while. It's had a couple of auto elects out to a mechanic. First thing, pop the DPF pressure pipe off. She fires up. Make this quick. So that is a extremely collapsed DPF. So this thing is gone, 528,000 Ks. I've got a pretty good idea what the customer's going to do with it, but anyway, just thought I'd show everyone. Morning, everyone. All right, it's another day on the crafter. This thing, now I'll attach the video that I took a few days back of when it come in. This had the most blocked DPF that I have ever seen. This was well beyond cleaning. The monolith was actually collapsed and melted together. So we sorted that. Done. DPF side of it's all sorted, and we had a lack of power. So this is where this van started initially. Was the vehicle, customer noticed the lack of power, down like 35-40%, kept driving it. Over time, DPF plugged up completely and it wouldn't run when it got towed in here. So after the DPF side of it's all done, onto the lack of power. Now what we found, no codes in the whole van whatsoever, so nothing really to go off, but what we found is a mass airflow sensor issue, and I'll just get this all hooked up. So old mass airflow sensor plugged in. Now OEM data didn't give us a correct PID for this, so I'm in OBD2 data, which any little code reader will read essentially, and if you have a look, that mass airflow PID, if you watch it long enough, it jumps all over the shop. It goes down to 28, 35, there we go, and this isn't running. So why have we got 35 grams of airflow reading with the vehicle not running? So what we'll do is we'll unplug this and I'll put the new sensor back on. All right, so good sensor in, as we can see, 0.94. Start the van up. All right, we're up and running. Good idle reading, about 14 grams of mass airflow. Now this has EGR disabled as well, so don't read too much into that, but happy days. That was our issue. We're back to full power now that we have a correct reading mass airflow sensor.